ninth chapter, probability. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 2A, part 9. Last part completed, impounded 7 marks problem in IB examination, model problems completed. Today discuss very impounded repeated problem in IB examination, Hersey's problem. This problem is called a Hersey's problem. What is that problem? Seventh one, if A, B, C, A, B, C are three horses in a race. In a race, have participate three horses. One is A, B, C. The probability of A to win the race is twice that of B, and the probability of B is twice that of C. What are the probability of A, B, and C to win the race? Let the probability of A win the race is P of A. Similarly, the probability of B win the race is P of B. Next, the probability of C win the race is P of C. Here some conditions is given. The probability of A to win the race, the probability of A nothing but P of A is win the race is twice the probability of B. Twice is nothing but 2 times of the probability of B. This condition is given. The probability of A to win the race nothing but P of A is twice nothing but 2 times of probability of B. And the probability of B nothing but P of B is twice that of C. Twice that of C nothing but probability of C. 2 into probability of C. Understood or not, students? Here you can write P of B equal to, suppose this is 2, this is 1. This 1 implies you can write P of A equal to 2 into, what is the value of P of B in this equation? To P of B value is 2 into P of C. That's why you can write 4 into P of C. This is P of A, is equation 3. After that, sum of the probabilities is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Nothing but P of A plus P of B plus P of C. This total probability to win the race, the total probability is equal to 1. You can write P of A value is 4 into P of C plus P of B value is 2 into P of C plus P of C. You can write P of C. Since here P of A, P of B, you can write equation 3 and equation 2 and 3. After that, 4 P of C, 2 P of C plus P of C. Total how many probability? 7 into probability of C, that equal to 1. Then probability of C equal to 1 by 7. This is the probability of C in win the race. C horse. After that, this probability of C substituted in equation 2. P of C substituted in equation 2. 2 implies you get the P of B. P of B value is 2 into P of C nothing but 1 by 7. That implies P of B value is 2 by 7. The probability of to win the race B is 2 by 7. Similarly, P of C substituted in equation 3. 3 implies P of A equal to 4 into P of C value 1 by 7. Then P of A equal to 4 by 7. Therefore, the probability of A win the race is 4 by 7. The probability of B win the race is 2 by 7. The probability of C win the race is 1 by 7. This is a very important repeated problem in IB examination mostly. Next problem is prove that P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C minus P of C intersection A plus P of A intersection B intersection C. This is also be very important in 4 marks problem in IK examination. This proof you can use formula model also. This proof you can do that problem by using addition theorem and probability. First of all, we have to take LHS part. What is the LHS part? P of A union B union C. This is the LHS part. In this LHS part, you can write P of A union B union C. We have to take this one is A, this one is B by the using of addition theorem. What is the addition theorem? P of A union B equal to P of E1 union E2 equal to, you can write P of E1 union E2 equal to P of E1 plus P of E2 minus P of E1 intersection E2. This is the addition theorem on probability. In this addition theorem, you have to take E1 is A and E2 is B union C. You can write this formula. You get what? P of A union B union C equal to P of A value is A plus P of E2 value is B union C minus P of E1 A intersection E2 B union C. Understood or not students? Here you can use addition theorem on probability. In this addition theorem on probability, P of E1 union E2 equal to P of E1 plus P of E2 minus P of E1 intersection E2. In this formula, you can write E1 value is A, E2 value is B union C. After that, you can write P of A plus, once again, this is also be, once again you can use addition theorem on probability. This one is E1, this one is E2. You get E1 union E2 formula. P of E1 nothing but P of B plus P of E2 nothing but P of C minus P of B intersection C. This formula you can write here addition theorem. After that, minus P of, you can write this one is A intersection B union A intersection C. Correct or not students? Once again check. A intersection B is the one point, the A intersection C is the another term. The relation with these two is union. Once again, this one is E1, this one is E2, P of E1 union E2. Once again, you can use addition theorem of probability. P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of B intersection C minus of, you can write once again formula. What is the formula? P of E1 nothing but P of A intersection B plus P of E2 nothing but P of A intersection C minus P of A intersection B intersection A intersection C. You can write here addition theorem on probability. You can write 3 times. First you can write first 2 addition theorem on probability. After that you can here you can use addition theorem on probability. Once again here also you can use addition theorem on probability. After that, P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of B intersection C minus P of A intersection B minus P of A intersection C minus into minus plus P of A intersection B intersection A intersection C. Here A intersection B intersection A intersection C nothing but A intersection B intersection A intersection C nothing but A intersection B intersection C. This one is a formula. In this in this place you can write this formula. You get what? P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of B intersection C minus P of A intersection B minus P of C intersection A intersection C nothing but combination of A and B. See, you see intersection C also B, you can write C and A plus P of, you can write this total value A intersection B intersection C. That's what you can write. P of A union B union C equal to P of A union B union C equal to, you can write P of A plus P of B plus P of C. After that you can write minus of P of A intersection B. After that you can write minus of P of B intersection C minus of P of C intersection A plus P of A intersection B intersection C. This one is the P of A union B union C formula. This formula is very useful and very important to prove that this problem coming to the 4 marks in IP examination. What is that formula? P of A union B union C is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C minus P of C intersection A plus P of A intersection B intersection C. In this formula, you can do the proof by using addition theorem on probability first step, and this step also be using this step. Here you can use this is a very important. This means what? The combined of A and B and A and C, the combination of A, B and AC both are equal to combination of all terms. Nothing but A intersection B intersection C. Right down here, you can easily solve this problem by using addition theorem on probability.